Hi everyone, this is Abhishek Anand and this is the demo video for Password Manager app. First, I will tell you what is Password Manager. So, Password Manager is a password management tool that focuses on users' privacy and users don't need to rely on any third-party services for their important passwords. So, this Password Manager is completely offline. All the users' data are saved on the user's local device and there is a strong encryption backing up your secretly saving your data from any kind of exposing to any person or any software. The all your password are saved fully encrypted locally in your local devices. This application is completely offline except one two features like checking for updates required internet. Otherwise it will run flawlessly offline online, it doesn't matter. Now the installation process, how we are going to download and install the application process. It is a very simple process. You just need to two things to do. Or you can say you just need to two things to set up before you are going to experience or you can use this application. So now for downloading purpose, you need to come here on the portfolio website, go to project section, click on this password manager and you will land here in the password manager page. So you can watch this video again in the video section. You can read about the important points, and one more important thing I want to mention that it is now currently available on Windows 10 and above platforms. It is not available on any other like Mac or Linux like that. So it is only for Windows 10 and above. So for downloading, you just need to click on this download button and download anyway. The download will start. It is a 140 MB file size, so it will download it. I already downloaded, so I will go further. After downloading the file, you will get the zip file. Now you just need to extract it, then the PM folder will open. Uh, Enter in this folder, then here this PM is it is the application, and there it is the internal file which includes basic functionalities required for the proper functionality of the application. So you just do not need to any do anything to this folder, just leave it at its way. And this is your application. So just click double click on this application and your application will launch. So yeah, the application is launched successfully and it is very fast launching. And if you do not like the light theme, then you can change to dark theme also. So yeah, it's our thing, and it is currently version 1.2. So but before you can do anything like it is showing like first create your account. You need to create an account. Creating an account is nothing, just entering your email address and pin which is required for some function which I will describe later in this video. So if you click on this create account button, then there is a thing like secret key is not available as environment variable. So okay, so when you okay, close this application, then when you go back to the same folder, then now you will see a bunch of files. In that file you will see this secret key button, secret key file, sorry. So what is this secret key? Open it. When you open this, then you will see two things there. One is the variable name and what is the variable value, which is a secret key. What is secret key? So the application uses strong encryption to save your password in encrypted form. To encrypt or decrypt those passwords or user data, we need a key. So this is the key which is used by the application to encrypt your file or decrypt your file. So first we need to set up this encrypted key as an environment variable in your local device. So how you can do it? So just copy this thing, just copy this thing, not entire one, just encryption key pass manager, and go on to your search button and search environment variable. When you search, then you will get this option, edit the system environment variable. So you click here and then click here, and here you will get the many options. In we are working on this user variable for here will your username will appear. Now you click on this new button and the variable name you just copy paste this one, and in the variable value section you just need to copy this one and paste this key. and after that you need to click on this OK button, then OK and OK. Okay, so now you have set your environment variable or your secret key as an environment variable. Okay, you can save this secret key file any other safe place where you want to save, but just delete this from this place. Okay, so in worst case in future, if somehow some happen, then if you want to get your password back, then I need this key to decrypt all your passwords. So this is a very important key. You should have saved it somewhere else in private. Okay, but for now, delete this key. Now it is not required because your local device or local machine has those keys. So just delete this one. Now relaunch the application. When you relaunch the application, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. So click on create account button, enter your email. Now I will tell you why it is required, because so I entered my email. So this is the pin creation button. So when you want to search for your password that you saved, you need to enter a pin, but somehow in future you forgot the pin, then you need to reset the pin. For resetting the pin, I need to confirm that it is you, so that I required an email address so that we can send an OTP to your email address and reset your pin. For that purpose the email is required. So now you set your pin, like I'm going to set 1234. You can set anything, any a number or alphabet, whatever you want. After that you just need to click on this save button. Now the password, your account is created, and relaunch the application uh, to to enable the recent changes. So just relaunch the application. Now the application launched successfully. You have completed all the installation processes. Now you are good to go. I'm going to save my first password. So for example, I'm going to save for Instagram account. So Instagram, and I'm going to, now here you can enter your email or username. I'm going to enter my username. Then if you have an existing password, then you can enter it. If you want to create a new account, then you can use strong password provided by this application using this generate password button. It will generate a new strong password, and this password is already copied to your keyboard automatically. So okay, after that you just need to click on this update data button, a confirmation pop up, then okay. Now the password is saved. Now we will going to fetch this password. For that purpose, you need to click on this search button, and then you need to enter the Instagram, your website name, and your pin that you set it during the account creation time. Then click on the search button and the password will appear. And again, this password you don't need to just select this one then copy this one. No, this will be automatically copied to your here. So okay, now if you want to change the pin, like in case you forget the pin, then you can click on this change pin button. You need to enter your current email, then send code, then OTP will go to your email address, and that OTP you need to type it here and press enter. Then it will give you an option to change your pin. So okay, if you want to search for another password, then just click on this refresh button. Then you can again enter your website name or pin, and search button you will get your other passwords. Like if you want to okay, let's say let's save another password, like for this one. Okay, password. Okay, click on this password is also saved for X. Okay, and suppose if you want to delete this password, then after searching for that password you get an option to delete that password. Now you just need to click on this delete button, and if you press this yes button, then the password will be deleted. So refresh and let's check it, like the password is deleted from the database or not. So X1234. Now you can see that no record found, the password is deleted from the database. So okay, now if you want, now I want to say one more feature is If you want to delete all your password, for example, if you want to delete all your password from the application, for that purpose you need to come here on the home window and then click on this more button, and a pop-up will come with a bunch of options. Like after that you need to click on this delete all password. It will delete all your password, but at this time I do not want to delete any kind of password, so I'm going to press no. So suppose now I'm going to show any more features like okay, one more feature, like somehow you forgot your email or you want to change your email. So if you want to change your email, then by clicking on this update button, you enter your current email, then send code, OTP will come, then you get an option to change your email. Okay, and if you want to report any kind of error in this application, then you can click on this report error button. It will take you to my contact section. You can contact me. And now the update section, like in future if I post a new update to this application, then how we will get the update or the newer version of the application. So you will get the pop-up that new version is came, and now you can download the new version. So before downloading or using the new version, you have to do two steps. First, you need to export all your password to your local device. Then you download the new app, or download the new app, and then export back all your passwords. So how you can do this? So if you click on this more button and click on this export button, then it will ask you for the location. So you click on this demo button and click on this select folder. Then your password, whatever your password will be, you know uh, will be sent to the will be sent here in your local device. So after that you download the new app, open, relaunch the app. You do not need to set up the secret key because it's already set it, but you need to create an account and enter the same email ID or pin. After doing that, you need to export button. Sorry, after that you need to click on this import button and import back the password. So in this way you can update the app. So, and you can close this app by clicking on this close button. And one more thing I will suggest, like create a shortcut for this app so that you do not need to come here. For creating the shortcut, you just need to click on this application, right click, then came here and send to desktop, create shortcut. Now you will see that your application is came here. You can directly launch the application from here. So it is better to create a desktop shortcut for you, but if you do not want to use it, then it is up to you. So I think this is it. If any problem arises, then you can contact me, and if you are going to use this application, then thank you so much. I would like to have your feedback. Please send me your feedback, or if you want any kind of feature, or if you want to see any kind of changes, then you can also contact me. Thank you.